Hello, my beauty babies. How are you today? We are still doing fabulous. So today what I'm going to show you guys is a new DIY trick. Well, maybe it's not that new, but it's new for me. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't always have the coinage to go to the esthetician to get my lashes done and always looking popping. So sometimes I just have to go and buy strip little lashes and make it look fabulous. Because what do? We're another day to slay, per usual. Because really, I'm not trying to spend all that money. I'm trying to save. I'm trying to be an entrepreneur. I'm trying to invest. I'm trying to moving forward. I'm going to show you guys how I do this new lash look, baby. We going to put our strip lashes underneath. Under. Did you hear me? Neath. You're not. You like what you see and you want to be bougie on a budget? Stay tuned for this video. I also do the individual lashes, so I'll make a video of that for y'all later. But we gonna make these lashes look real fly and real sexy. Period. Don't know what that is. Garbage. And if you want to know which one I'm using, yeah, I got these at the beauty supply store, but supposedly they're 3D mink lashes. They're supposed to be cute or whatever. So, you know, you can see I just wanted something that maybe had a little flurry to it. So yeah, things that I have, the little lash tweezers, I have regular tweezers, and I'm just gonna use some like duo lash glue because I don't know about y'all, but I don't be using that hair glue. That's out for me. And this is the black version. I also have some mascara that I'm gonna put on, and this is Too Faced Better Than Sex, just a little sample I had, and then a brush. So you know, we just gonna be cute or whatever. Make sure it's on the top side, because remember, we're trying to put it underneath. Before, you were putting it on the top, on the bottom, because you were gonna, you know, glue that bitch down. So I make sure I get the corners real good. So this is kind of what it looks like. I don't put a lot on the bottom, but there is some on the corners, baby. We about to put that together. I'm gonna let that dry and I'll come back with putting it on. I'm back, baby. So what we're gonna do is just apply some mascara. Y'all, it's 105 degrees. That's why this isn't sticking. You know, never do your lashes hungry, because my hands are shaking. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm really hungry. Take two. So again, we put it a little further over here. You see, y'all, I'm still learning, but we gonna do this together. You guys are gonna see how I do stuff in real life. This is real life trying. Not none of this fake shit where they just be like, boop. No, we gonna struggle together. We gonna struggle together. Let's struggle together. Okay. Hold. Oh, I got glue in my eye. Take three. We got this. So you lift it here. we're just going to place it right underneath. Gonna pinch it down and come into that corner. Wait till this dry, I'll come back. Am I giving these lashes grow from my eyes? Am I giving you can't tell that this is strip lashes? Am I giving DIY but I'm fly? And y'all, you already know what it is. Don't even forget to subscribe, like, comment, all of that, because I want to know how y'all did this, because you about to see we in this together, okay? Moving forward, stay tuned, keep watching. You already know what it is, Chrissy Slade.